Hi everybody and welcome to the Analytics Insider YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how you can change the language in Microsoft Fabric. Therefore I will go directly in the browser and open Microsoft Fabric. So you can do that by enter app.fabric.microsoft.com. When you've opened Fabric you can click to the settings, which is here, and you can open the general settings. And in the general settings, you have the option to select the display language. So now, for example, you see here the workspaces. And when I change the language to Spanish, Español, the Fabric portal reloads. And now we can see that it's named Áreas de Trabajo. So it worked out, but now we should switch back to English. And this is also my advice to you, to always use Microsoft Fabric in English, because when you have to Google or search for some error messages or bugs or any ideas in the Power BI forum, then you will find most of the results with the English names. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon in the next video.